Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your search engine to Epic in the Epic Privacy Browser. This will allow you to have more privacy-focused search results. Let's get started. Open the Epic Privacy Browser. Once the browser is open, click on the menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings tab, scroll down a little bit to find the Search Engine section. This is where you'll be able to change your default search engine. Once you've selected Epic Simo, make sure to save your settings if prompted. Epic is now set as your default search engine. And that's how you change the search engine to Epic in the Epic Privacy Browser. This is a simple but effective way to maintain your privacy while browsing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.